Hello everyone, welcome to DeFi. It's a perpetual future trading DEX for NFT, crypto, and synthetic assets. Now I'm going to show you how to use DeFi. So first step is you have to connect your wallet. So you can click this, and there is a lots of option: MetaMask, Trust Wallet, and Wallet Connect. Those are decentralized wallet. But for this demonstration, I'm going to use our social link wallet. Like you can create your wallet using your Gmail. So you just have to click on this. You just have to click on continue. Wait for a second, and your wallet is ready. But if you are a new user, then you have to give your mail address. So then you can get $1,000 of test USD. I just have given my email address and click on create wallet and wait. Okay, it's showing me. Okay, so let's give another wallet. And my wallet is ready. If it's not showing you the current available balance, then you can refresh it. And after that, you can see $1,000 is showing to your wallet. And this is your wallet. The next step is here you can see the current price of your in our market is $147.40 for Solana, and the global prices or the Oracle prices 147.22. So you can say it's close. So first I wanted to put a sell order. So let's click on a sell. And here you can see two options. One is market, second one is limit. So for now, I'm going to use limit. So let's put a limit order for sell 149. And I just wanted two quantity of USD. So here you can see the market price and the total, which the total amount you have to pay. Here you can see all those are showing. So next is to sign the message. This is for authentication. Here you can click on approve, and this step is done. So now you can place your order. Let's place it. Wait for a second, and you can see order successfully created. So in below, if they are not showing you the like your position, you can refresh it, and after that you can see your position. Here you can see your position, all those details. And if you wanted to close your position, just click on close order. That's it. Okay, that's it for today. Bye bye.